Welcome to Heygo, everyone. My name is Eriko from Tokyo. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so happy to have you along, and I'm really excited to show you around. So this is part of a series called Tokyo Walk. Tokyo is quite a big city. They are divided into so many interesting neighborhoods. Each district is forming around a train station because we rely on public transport. So in each episode, I take you to different district of Tokyo, starting in front of train station. So this time, I'm going to take you on a walking tour around Marunouchi area. So Marunouchi area is basically around Tokyo Central Railway Station. So, okay, here we go. So this is Yurakujo Station. I've done this tour before, but each time is a little bit different. The last time I did this tour was probably, when was it? Maybe around Christmas to see some winter lights. So this is Yurakujo Station, and today we are going to walk from Yurakujo Station to Tokyo Central Railway Station. So it's just one station away, and then see how long it takes and what we can find along the way. Okay, so Marunouchi area, this is a stylish business district forming between the Imperial Palace and then Tokyo Station. So we are going to admire old and new eye-catching building today. You see there are a lot of people. So let me start with showing my favorite modern building in the city. So we are in the courtyard, this is like an inner garden between the building. So this is called International Forum. It's a massive convention center. So the big halls are actually floating in the air. So this is one of the halls. And on the right, there is a beautiful glass building. It looks like a glass ship, or it kind of looks like whale. And in between, there's this beautiful inner garden. So we're going to quickly go through this building. Let's go. Okay, there you go. Look at this. See how big this space is. Let me pan up. So it's covered with glass and it's bringing in sunlight to the whole structure. Wow, it's amazing, right? We're gonna walk to the other end and I'm gonna turn around. So you can see this oval-shaped building right next to the train track. Right, train track. So it's covered with the conference rooms and then this massive wall. The other side, facing the inner garden, is covered with glass. So how can I say? It's got the feeling of openness to it. And then it's like the whole space is continuing to the garden, right? We're gonna go back and go up. Look at that. It kind of looks like whale, right? Oh, so beautiful. I love it so much. How did you like it? And then he is the samurai called Ota Dokan. He actually built the castle, and then later a number of shogun lived in the area. Okay, let's walk outside. You see, this is what's popular. If you look at what they are wearing, long skirt, yeah, including myself. I love it. It's so cool in the summertime. Let me just show you the building from outside. So now we're going to say goodbye to this Tokyo International Forum, and let's go explore the rest of Marunouchi area. Let's go down this way. So in this area, what's interesting is you can see the combination of new and old. And the next building I'm going to show you is a great example, Mitsubishi Ichigo. So let me show you the building from this corner. So look at this beautiful red brick exterior. So let's wait till the bus pass. So this is Mitsubishi Ichigo. It was originally constructed as an office building back in 1894. Then restored and eventually reopened back in 10 years ago. So we are here. And then this is Tokyo Station, and this is the Imperial Palace. The whole thing is the Imperial Palace. That's where Imperial family live. And so we are in between. And we started the tour here, Yurakujo Station. Already walked up here. And let's go down to Tokyo Station. So we are just coming into this plaza, just behind this red brick building. And so this is like a urban park, right? And they have lots of plants, public art. There's a museum. Oh, hi, Louise. How are you doing? Lovely to have you. So when Louise was in Tokyo, she explored this area too. So see what's changed in over a month. Not much change, probably. Yes, it's a very beautiful setting. You can enjoy your meal outside under this green canopy. Look at this. The whole, the wall and pillar is covered with green. Oh, Mitsubishi. Yes, Louise. There is a Coco Chanel exhibition going on. And this morning there was a long queue. People are lining up to get into this museum, Coco Chanel. So this is the entrance. Yes, Elizabeth. Very classic. We admire her. Okay. I'm going to turn around. It's interesting to see where people line up. Lolly, thank you very much. They are lining up to get Essile butter from France. Fabulous. Look at this. Okay, so this is the entrance to the Marunouchi Nakadori Avenue. And then what they've done here is really amazing. So that's why I'm doing the tour now. So actually in front of the International Forum, every first Sunday and third Sunday, they have a massive antique market. So that's what I wanted to show you. But because of the big event going on, it was postponed to the next week. So maybe I'll show you some other time. So again, this is a business district, and yet this area between these office buildings turned into a really nice urban park during the summertime. Look at this, isn't it cute? So they are using artificial grass here. So they have like some special ability to cool down the temperature of the surface of the street. And they also have the real grass. Very nice. So say hello to the bunnies. Bunnies. And giraffe. So cute. And then I found another one. Oh, you can rent a picnic table and picnic blanket here. And just enjoy your picnic right here in the middle of this busy city. Isn't it a good idea? So this is Sunday, but during the week. So again, these buildings on the side are office buildings, and then people working there can come out and just enjoy the picnic during their lunch break. So over there, the two little girls are taking a picture, but I want to show you the really cute bears. This is a sleepy bear. They're taking pictures, so let me step back. So really cute. So on the side of the street, you can find these cute animals, artwork. I'm so happy it's nice and sunny today. So at the end of the street, we are going to see another grass area. And look at that. Along the way, they are food vendors, and they change every single day. Wow, look at that. This one is fancy. This one is from the Peninsula. The Peninsula Hotel is standing just down the street. Beautiful. So this area, this Marunouchi Nakadori Avenue, is turned into urban park. So this is a part of experiment that city is doing. So if it's successful, we might be seeing many of these in the near future. And I think it's a great idea because the space is limited, right? And many restaurants here open at 11 a.m. So yeah, just around now. This is street piano. The gentleman is getting ready for it. There are already audience. Very nice. Is this first year? They've been doing it for the last couple of years. Yes. Oh, he is a very popular rugby player, Rich Michael. Very fancy restaurant. Sexy pineapple, lemon squash, strawberry float. Looks amazing. Now we're gonna walk down to Tokyo Station. Some more food trucks, children running around. It's such a peaceful area. I really love what they've done here. And it's sad because this is not, this is temporary. But in the wintertime we should come back because they have the whole trees lining up the street will be lit up during holiday season. And a ping pong table. These are designed for everyone, so people in wheelchairs can play ping pong here too. And we are going to see the Tokyo Station in a second. So from the north end to the south end, it's 330 meters. So yeah, it's over 1,000 feet. So it's a big station. So look at the dome, beautiful dome. There's a dome on each end. We're gonna go inside and have a look. So after the war, the top half of the building was gone. So they needed to restore it. They needed to fix that. But they didn't have money. They didn't have resources, no money. So they fixed it in the way, like the one in the picture. So there is no dome. Yeah, it's just a flat, roof. So they didn't have money to rebuild the roof. But back in 2012, so the two domes are beautifully restored. So everyone, hope you are enjoying the tour. So now the tour is coming to an end, but I would love to show you what it looks like inside the dome compared to Western standard. So this is one of many entrance to the station. Look at this beautiful dome. Okay, you can see the beautiful dome. For coming. Hope you enjoy the tour. If you come to Japan and then looking for a nice souvenir which doesn't cost anything, it's a station stamp. So each station has their original design. So let's stamp on my stamp book. Yeah, each station has their original stamp. So, okay, everyone. So I love showing you different part of Tokyo, and yeah, I tend to prefer, very quiet, peaceful places to see, beautiful temples, gardens, flowers. But a city walking tour is also very much fun, and hope you liked it. How was it? And we walked one station together. You can say that you have walked from Yurakujo Station to Tokyo Station now. You are an expert. Wonderful. Thank you so much, everyone, for taking your time. and joining me. I loved it so much. So lots of love from Japan.